Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This video is a tutorial on how to create printable wall art on Canva. In this video, we will talk about how to use the platform Canva to create printable wall art of any kind and that you can print and use for your own room, bedroom, or the living room, or wherever you want at your home, or you want to gift it to somebody, or you can even create these printable wall arts on Canva and sell them on Etsy to make some side money. So now let's just get started with it. We are on the platform canva.com, as you can see over here. And what I want you to do on this platform is search for wall art so you can get some inspiration. These are the search results that have come, and you can see some of them are ready to use while others are marked with a crown, which means you need to be a pro member to use them. So you can gain some inspiration from these wall art. Currently, what I want to do is I want to create a motivational quote, something vibrant with a vibrant background, maybe something like that, something vibrant. And then I'm going to create something that looks similar to this one. So anyway, once you have got your inspiration or you have found your template, you can just simply click on it and edit it, or else you can go to create a design on top over here and select poster from this drop down. So this is the canvas on which we're going to work, and we're going to create our wall art. So I'm going to create two wall arts. Let's start with page 1. So first things first, to create a vibrant background for the motivational quote, I need some good colors. So for this, I'm going to suggest you a platform, and that platform is Color Hunt. As you can see over here, it's colorhunt.co. They have all these pre-made color palettes over here, and you can choose from something that's vibrant or something that's like monochromatic with one color of different shades or different color combinations, something really subtle or something vibrant like this. Okay, let's go for this one. So if you choose any of these color palettes, and it'll open up in a different page like this, and what you can do is you need to simply click on this and it'll get copied. So the code has been copied over here. Now go back to your canvas over here, and what we're going to do is either you can just like change the background color over here, paste the color over here, the code over here, and you will get the code over here. You can see there are some pre-made combinations in Canva itself. But what I'm going to do is for my first wall art, which is a motivational quote, so I'm going to first go to elements and go to lines and shapes over here, and you can see there are these shapes over here. All I need to do is click on any one of them and they will come on the canvas. So we've got our shape over here. Let's just edit it and just expand it that way. Now I'm going to change the color of this one to the color that I've just copied, which is right over here. So like that, we have created our first box. Now I actually want the same color combination as in the palette. Like I want these boxes to appear on the background. So I'm going to create the boxes and then take the colors from the color palette on Color Hunt. For that, you just need to copy and paste the box. And once that is done, you place the box wherever you need it. Go back to the color palette and copy the color code. Come back to the canvas and change the color right over here. Choose the color, and voila, that's done. So we're going to repeat this process till we have all the boxes done and similar to the color palette over here. And that's our last box. Let's just take the color from here, copied, and go here and select the color. And now half the work is done. We've got our background. Now let's go and add some text. For that, you simply need to go to text on the left side, and you have all these presets. You can use this to add a heading, subheading, or whatever you want, and then choose a font of your choice, or else you can use these presets over here, which is the thing that we're going to do. I kind of like this text over here, so simply clicking on the text will add it to the printable wall art over here, as you can see. Now I don't want that extra text, so what I'm going to do is click on ungroup and it'll get ungrouped. Whichever text you don't want, just click on it and click delete. And so we have the texts over here. I'm going to place one on each box like that, just in the center. And we're going to type our text on them. So I'm just going to write stop dreaming. That's how it's gonna be. Now what you can do is you can select all the texts over here by hitting down shift on the keyboard and select all the texts over here and increase the font size just like that. Simply increase the size of whichever has gone into 2 lines. So that's how it's going to be. Stop dreaming and start doing. So I feel like this is kind of overlapping. So what I'm going to do is going to the color palette and select the color. Go to this little thing over here and choose a lighter color like that. That also looks good, so it doesn't overlap with the text color. So our first wall art is done. Now let's go and do the second one. To do that, we just need to click on add page over here and it will come. Now let's go for the background color. I think I'm just going to choose a background color from here, something that is light like that. Next, what we're going to do is go to elements and I'm going to search for box, or what we can do is we can just go to the frames over here, and if you click on see all, you have all these frames that you can use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take this frame over here. Now we're going to change the color of this one, something contrasting to our background, maybe something like that. So this kind of looks good, but I feel the background could be a little bit lighter. So we're going to go back to the color scheme over here and just change it to something light. And let's leave that over there. Now I'm going to go back to the elements and search for woman like that. And let's just go to the graphic section and see what's there here. So now what I'm going to do is search for a woman, and I'm looking for something that's really simple, maybe something like that, but that's for pro members. So let's just go down and search something that's free, maybe this one. Yes. And I think the color could be a little bit more darker, so I'm going to make it black and increase the frame size like that. Could increase this one as well. So let's just align everything. Once everything is settled, then your wall art is done. So this is how you can create printable wall arts on Canva. And once you're done with your designing, what you need to do is simply go to share, go to download, and the option that you need to choose from here, that is file type, is PDF print. And once that is selected, then all you need to do is click on download and your printable wall art is getting downloaded. You can get it printed and paste it on your wall at your home, or you can even sell it on Etsy and make some money. With that, this video comes to an end. We truly hope it has benefited you. Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. We'll catch you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed.